welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my favorite thing I love to get in the mail is HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a subscription service that you guys can get meals sent directly to you. Now I have a great deal that you guys can always use. If you haven't already and you guys are kind of wanting to do HelloFresh, you guys can click my referral link down below. You guys will end up getting $40 off. So you end up getting three meals for 20 bucks. If you guys think about that, that is less than, I want to say it's about $3 a person, $3 a meal for a person per meal. There's different options you guys can choose from. Now you can have it where you can do 3 or 4 meals, but with my coupon code you guys can do 3 meals for like $19.94. You can also do it where for a family of 2 or a family of 3, I think, and a family of 4, but the more you do, the more you pay. But I've been doing HelloFresh for almost a year now. I absolutely love it. My husband's like, what are we making now? And we're actually learning techniques to make other meals other than just this stuff. So what I do is I save all the recipes, and then when we find something we really like, we go and buy those ingredients and we're making these again. So that is something that you guys can think of. Now if you guys are not sure if you want to do it, you don't want to commit, I say give it a try. Just give it a try, you know, get the $40 off and try it, and then just make sure to cancel it right away. That's what I say. You just got to make sure you guys cancel it. But I've had a lot of success with HelloFresh. I've been trying a lot of meals that I've never tried before. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to eat at home more. I'm just trying to eat a little bit better. And so far, I've been doing really good. At eating a little bit healthier, eating a little bit more meals that I don't. But inside the box, you get a nice little envelope. Usually sometimes it's coupons and some random crap. Here we got Gray's, which I don't care about, and Dia and Co.'s company I don't care about. And then they give you the nice little book or little cards. Now what I end up doing is I put little holes in all these cards and I put them in a binder to save for the future. But inside the box, you get all the nutritional facts, and these are for all what you can choose for the week. Now this is week 39, so there's that information. But here are the meals that we are getting. Now there is a deal where you guys can pay a little bit more. You pay $5.99 more a person, and you guys can get more of a premium meal. So the husband wanted to do this prosciutto wrapped chicken over truffled mushroom risotto. I've never had anything like this. I just started doing risotto for the first time, but pretty excited to try something I've never tried before, and this meal looks absolutely delicious. It takes 5 minutes to prep, 10 minutes to make, and it's only 890 calories. It's a truffled risotto with a drizzle of truffle oils added instantly. Instant luxury to creamy grains of a burrito rice. So I'm pretty excited to try something like that. I mean, if you guys think about it, this meal right here probably costs like 20 bucks if you went to a restaurant. And you're getting 3 meals where you can learn, and it's a great thing to do, you know, with that. So they give you step-by-step instructions, so that's one thing. I love it. The next meal we got, and I've been trying to do more vegetarian meals because I want to eat a little bit healthier. Now you can do all vegetarian, you can do all meats, whatever you guys want. They have like a list of like 12 meals for the week. The one I'm going to try is the 3-cheese tagliatelle Alfredo with broccoli and Tuscan herbs. I'm really excited to make this meal because this meal looks super good, and it looks like something I can make super easy for myself. So I'm so excited to try that. I love broccoli, so something to eat differently. And then the next one we also got is the cauliflower pancetta mac and cheese with Katapi and scallions, which I'm actually excited to try a new way of making macaroni and cheese. So all those items for 20 bucks, you guys definitely want to try it. Now some of these meals, they do repeat themselves. I've seen a couple meals have repeated themselves since I've joined, but I love trying new things. So let's just dig in and so I can share with you guys what I got. So every meal always comes prepared in a bag. You can really smell it, but this is the prosciutto wrapped chicken. Here we have the 3-cheese Alfredo, and then here is the cauliflower macaroni and cheese, and I will go through what is all inside the bag just so you guys have an idea. And they always put it in an insulated box, and then you guys get a the meats on the bottom. Now, one thing I absolutely love is they give you these giant ice packs. Now, they always say throw them away. I keep them because if we're ever like going somewhere and we want to put them in a cooler, we got giant ice packs. Now, there is 2 of those in here, so that is great to use. And then the very bottom, and now that is still solid as a rock, but on the bottom here we got the prosciutto meat. So we got like some nice thin prosciutto meat. We also have the pancetta, what is this, bacon? And then we also have the boneless, skinless breast. So that is the meat that is going to be included in those meals. But let me just open one up so you guys can kind of see what you get an idea for. Now, these are super easy meals to make. Sometimes the instructions are kind of iffy, but you guys can always improvise. So here we got the bowl, or the bag, of noodles. So this is the Calvati, or Calvita noodles. Here we got, oh, it's not a head of cauliflower, but it is cauliflower, but I think you just gotta chop it up some more, and I'm really enjoying cauliflower. Looks like the green onions, which I'm actually really starting to like. They also gave you milk. That is so cool. 2% milk. This is how we do it. It's HelloFresh little milk jugs. That is so cool. These do expire not for another year. That's crazy. So got those little milks to drink or to put in our meal. Here we got some cheese. They always put all their HelloFresh brand stuff on there. And they always give you, like, the only thing you really need is like salt, pepper, and some of that stuff, but oil, wheat flour, and then here is the chicken stock. So that's all you guys do, and then they give you step-by-step instructions. So yes, this is probably, I think, my 6th or 7th box of HelloFresh. I love it. I'm really starting to really enjoy getting these meals. I'm really starting to, you know, make things, I'm really starting to like things that I've never tried before, so definitely do that. But again, I just wanted to share with you guys what I get in my HelloFresh box, so if you guys are thinking of getting it or trying it, you guys click below. Now every time you guys click my link, I get a percentage of that so I can show you guys more meals. Now I also make a video showing you guys what the meals look like right before we eat them and then right after we taste them to share with you guys my opinion, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned for that. I'll be posting that in a couple days. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you guys tried HelloFresh and what you guys think about it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.